Hi, this is Joëlle Meyer. Here is a great activity to do in the winter. Fat balls for the birds. In winter, it's hard for the birds to find food, so prepare these fat balls that will be a real feast for them. Take shelled birdseed. The easiest way is to take sunflower chips. You will also need coconut oil. For a given amount of sunflower seeds, take 2/3 of that amount of coconut oil. Melt the coconut oil. Mix the sunflower seeds with melted coconut oil. Recycle small yogurt containers. Place a long string folded in half in each small container. Let both ends of the string stick out. The ends will be used to attach the fat balls to trees or other supports. Pour the seed and oil mixture into the small yogurt containers. Place the containers in the fridge to allow the oil to set. Unmold the fat balls and then hang them on 3 branches outside. You will see that the birds will appreciate this delicious feast. Instead of small yogurt containers, you can also use flexible molds of different shapes. For illustrated instructions for this project, click on the link below the video and visit the Animaplates website to find hundreds of other fun and educational projects. See you soon!